Okay, so hi there, this is Ashok once again before you. In this video I'm just going to show you that how to fix actually the custom font is not working here. So how to fix that? So you can see this custom font is working, this custom font is working. So how to fix that? It's not working. So already I have uploaded it. So if you just not uploaded, so just click on this add new, and obviously you have uploaded. So I'm just clicking on this edit button, and it will be coming, and we need to actually find something like the URL. Okay, so it's the problem of uh, it's the main problem. Okay, so I have just fixed two things, two fonts already. Okay, so I'm just clicking on this. Okay, clicking on this edit, and you can see this is the HTTP. Okay, this is the HTTP, so we need to make sure that here is HTTPS. So make it HTTPS. So first of all you need to click on this P, click next to the P letter, and when you just click on here, then you can see it's coming. So make sure that you have just crossed it, and now right here S. Okay, so I have just clicked, and now here you can see the HTTPS. So click on this update button, and after updating, if we just go again to the custom fonts, okay, Elementor custom fonts, then and we can see this is working. So this is working right now. So that's all for today. Thank you so much.